Today we're doing a walkthrough of the one-bedroom villa at Saratoga Springs, room 4330. We'll follow up at the end with some information about its location. 4330 at Disney Springs. Here is a tour. Right when you walk in, little foyer. Couch. This has a pull-down bed. There's another pull-down twin over here. They have the patio. And when you turn around, you have the full-size kitchen with all the amenities. And it does have a coffee maker and ice. Then you go through here, you go to the bathroom. Well, actually, first is the laundry. And then the bathroom. In this first bathroom part, you have the shower. And then over here, you have just the potty. And then that shuts, so if someone's getting ready, they can be in there too. And then the shower again in this little section. You could shut this if someone was bathing, so you've got the bath part separate. And then there's a utility closet and hang stuff in there. Beautiful mirror. And then right when you come out of here, there is no door to the bathroom. This brings you right into the bedroom. And the bedroom has its own door, so if you were in there, you could shut that. But this is the bedroom, king size. And it has the TV. And then when you walk out of the bedroom, it leads right back into the kitchenette area. Room 4330 is located right next to the carriage house. Only a pool separates it. When you walk in these doors and go left, it will lead you to the resort store and food area, which is Artist Palette. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner and have quite a few options to choose from. When you exit Artist Palette, the main pool area is right there. This concludes our walkthrough of the one-bedroom villa at Saratoga Springs. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.